Getting the Unity Engine DLL error after a software update. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. This DLL file is a central library for the Unity Engine, often used as a container for game-specific code or as part of the Unity editor. It facilitates the execution of internal engine logic and asset management during runtime. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The Unity Engine DLL is required for Unity Engine to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Unity Engine will repair missing or broken application files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Unity Engine component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Most individual downloads of the Unity Engine DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to the Unity Engine and system libraries. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Unity Engine working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.